This is my WordPress site admin panel. You can press Visit Site. This is my site. And then go back to admin. This is the admin panel. Just as before. Okay, let's log it out. Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. Next, I show you how to install Bludit. Bludit is a simple, fast, secure flat-file CMS. So, no need to create a database for it. Scroll down, press the download button. Okay, find the Bludit folder. Create a new folder. And save it. Click this one. Put it inside M's www folder. This is the WordPress site just installed. Now paste the Bludit here. Rename it. Go to your browser. This is the Bludit installer. I choose English. Next. Admin. Install. This is the site. You can log in to your admin panel. This is Bludit admin panel. Okay, now WordPress and Bludit are successfully installed. Thanks for watching.